I'm in a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrosts. So with the vehicle on and powered up, we're going to look for these buttons. This is for your front windshield defrost. This is for your rear defrost. So to activate the front, we'll just push this, and when it's lit up, now that lets you know that there's air blowing out of those vents onto the glass. And then you can adjust them to be hot or cold, depending on your preference. Usually you want it hot though if you're trying to melt ice and things. And then even if it's all the way hot, you still might want this AC on, just because that AC system can pull moisture out of the air so it doesn't fog up. And then there's different modes. You can adjust it to too, so you could have it say blowing on the vent here as well as under your feet, for example. But when you're done with this system, you could either just turn this fan all the way off or just push this again so that light goes away. And then for your rears, to activate that, you'll just push this and that lights up as well. And I don't know if you're able to see in the video, but there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are a heating mechanism. So when this is activated, it turns on those heating mechanisms in the glass that'll start to heat up and melt any ice that might be building. And again, to turn this off, you'll just click this again. And if these aren't lighting up for some reason, the first thing I'd probably check are your fuses, see if there's like a burnt fuse that might be making the system inoperable. Otherwise, possibly take your code reader to the OBD2 port, see if there's any codes that might indicate a problem going on as well. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.